Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you are watching Speak and Thrive. Today in this video, I am going to give you amazing method by which you can make long sentences easily without any effort. So make sure to watch this video completely, and if you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Now let's get into it. So today I want to share with you one simplest method that will help you to make long sentences, because I know it is the most you can say common issue that most of the learner they are facing, because they are not able to make long sentences, and it is something that most of the people has complained or shared with me the issue they are facing throughout their journey of learning English, that yes, they are struggling when it is about making long sentences. So I thought what I can do for you, and I came across with this method, which is the simplest one. You can believe me here, it is very simple, and if you focus on my explanation how I'm making you understand, you are good to go. You will learn it very quickly. So now listen to me carefully. So let's say I learn English. I learn English. Now you need to ask yourself what more details you can add into it. I learn English. So you can say now, use the words, questioning words like where, when, how, why. Like these questions you can add these words in your questions. For example, if you say I learn English, now you can say I learn English where. You have covered where, right? I learn English at my home. Now second question, when you learn English, I learn English at my home in evening. Two questions are complete. I learn English at my home in evening. How you learn English? I learn English at my home in evening while watching some videos. So this is another question that you are adding details with. Okay, I learn English at my home in evening while watching some videos. And the last question you can add why. I learn English at my home in evening while watching some videos to improve my English speaking skills. So just let's say it together. I learn English at my home in evening while watching some videos to improve my English speaking skills. So these are the connectors, these are the small details that you can add in your sentence, and naturally it becomes longer. So when you want to make a long sentence, make sure that you are adding details into it by using how, when, where, what. Questioning words you can use to add some more details in your sentence. And that's how you will be able to make a long sentence. Well guys, it is super easy. Literally, once you start practicing with this simple method, you will be speaking really like effortlessly long sentence. It would be so easier for you to speak. So it is very simple, but it is really working. It works amazingly. So I just want to recommend you must give it a try. If you might forget that, so do not miss it. Just write it down somewhere and try it later. And if you find this video helpful guys, please let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more amazing videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet you in the next videos.